Today's Thursday, April 9th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado convertible top and power antenna dual cluster module. This is for my friend Dave Petroni, and this is the fully assembled, fully restored embodiment of the convertible top switch. So I've gone ahead and restored the convertible top switch, and in the first video I showed the bench layout of those components where I had to replace the rocker switch internally, which was obviously burned from over voltage and arcing. So now we've got a fully functioning unit, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply power to each of the terminals, and we'll be doing a functional validation test here in just a second of this second video out of a 2-video set. I'm connecting my wires. Okay, so I'm ready to go here, and the first thing I'll do is I'll connect to the lowering terminal, and we see the light bulb come on in the lowering mode, pressing downwardly on the switch. Now I'll switch my terminals to the upper position, and I'll rock the switch in the opposite direction, and we see the light bulb come on again, showing electrical continuity. Okay, so that's the up. Now we'll do the down again one more time. There we go. Okay, so this is the functional validation test for the convertible top switch restoration for my friend Dave. This is Eldorado, Georgia, in Florida. I have over 375,000 parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, tilt and telescopic steering columns, power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items, including these multi-cluster switches that control the convertible top, the power antenna, and in the triple module, we also have the rear defogger. Okay, this is Eldorado, Georgia, in Florida. Today is Thursday, April 9th. Thank you very kindly.